Hello, I'm Jeff Capes and I'm here to introduce you to my driving school, Jeff Capes Driving School. We've been helping local learners to pass their driving test for over 20 years now. I started out as a driving instructor myself before building my very own team of highly trained instructors. We are pleased to announce that we are now able to offer automatic driving lessons in the following areas. There's Chester, Whitchurch and also Ellesmere Port and all surrounding areas. You think that with our success rates there'll be a pretty high price tag attached, but we believe that quality driving lessons should be accessible and open to everyone. Our pricing is simple, fair and transparent, just as it should be. We also offer a variety of packages designed to suit different requirements, and also our money back guarantee ensures that you can enjoy complete peace of mind when you learn to drive with us. If you'd like to learn more about our approach or book in for a driving lesson today, simply head over to my website www.jeffcapesdriving.co.uk or alternatively give us a call on 01948 532 011. Thank you.